Yeah, I did, baby. This is mine. That's yours.
This is mine.
This is mine.
Babe, you lying. I just said this right
No,
here.
you said yours. I said mine right there, baby. Oh, that's yours.
They trying to cheat, y'all.
That's yours.
This is okay. That's fine. Okay, we can swap.
Yeah, I specifically said mine right there.
And we take it for you. I put my right hand there. That's one.
Remember what you said yours right there?
No. Yeah, you're right. Okay, I do. You better drink that shit.
Mortale, un toque.
Took the money. What's your response when they say that?
I was here before the movie.
I bet. Yeah, that's how I respond when everybody say that.
No.
She the dessert.
Yeah, I'm the dessert.
Exactly. I got
Yes.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back with the ticket.
Okay.
Yeah, she was here for the money, big dog. She remind me of that all the time. I said, man, I would have. She said, you wouldn't have the money like that.
I did not say that.
She was here for the money.
Of course, I'm gonna be here after the money, duh. If I was there before the money, you think I'm gonna leave because you got some money? No. What's this you got made? None.
Oh, you a trick. Stop it. Everybody a trick. Ask your job.
That's fine. I get whatever I want, so I don't care. But it's not like I don't care about you.
Oh man, she was here for the money. She was here when I got shot. She was here when I made. She was here when I made Soldier Boy. she was here when I hit a nigga in the head with pig poker. Yeah, she been here for the whole ride. Hold on, baby, slow.
This one.
This got me already.
I tried you. I had to try not to choke. Because you have me laughing with liquor in my nose. Holding this nigga down outside. I didn't even know I was.
She the one drove me to the hospital when I shopped in the club. I said, baby, run the motherfucking red light.
I ran every red light possible in Arlington. If that don't tell you something, that was Arlington. Eunice, Arlington. Yeah. I thought I got shot sitting next to us. Yo,
Yeah. You too be old to be drinking. You gotta calm down, huh? That must be a kid talking, baby. Yeah?
oh, people supposed to drink. I'm too old to be drinking. That's like saying I'm too old to take a piss.
That's why I think it's AI robot.
Get some little.
Oh, that bitch kicking in. Shout out to Paparazzi Chop House. Yeah. I think this might be better than the review, but I'm gonna get him a review too though. Yeah, I'm gonna get him a review. I like them. They got a mixture, males and female mixture. Yeah, that wasn't me talking. Oh, AI generated. Yeah, that was AI generated. Oh, good in the bit.
I'm like, it's a girl.
I'm telling you, man, I'm that shit. I'm buzzing, getting on the verge of tipsy. Once, man, that shot got me. I'm telling you. I'm gonna take care of Big Dog. Yeah, I thought it was free. Boy, I thought it was free. I said, oh, they just gave us free food. What is this? Boy, I was bragging on y'all. Y'all gotta take it back. They charging it, y'all. Yeah,
I told her, I said, I'm gonna hook them up tomorrow. They said, we got that appetizer. I'm like, all right.
No, we got it. No, we good. I don't want nothing for free from my people. Yeah, I want to pay for what I get from my people. For the card, everybody.
You want me to come right back?
Yeah, you get it right now.
Gotcha.
Where are the pictures?
Ooh, that liquor
Y'all look
kicking
at
in.
this. Isn't it cute?
Yeah, I'm getting drunk. Yeah, I'm starting to feel it. Yeah, I'm getting drunk. She wants the money only. She was here for the money.
The other hoes might just want the money. But I was here before the money.
Yeah, she was here for the million. Yeah, she was here when now think about it, $250,000. yeah, she was here when they were at $250,000. Before I got the million. And by the way, all women want money, nigga. It's a woman's thing. Yeah, baby, I done got drunk. I'm starting to get drunk.
I appreciate y'all stopping by.
You take cash out?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm on to
Appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by. Have a nice one. Did I give you a pen? I gave you a pen?
Yeah. A pink?
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh.
Say y'all done got me drunk, nigga.
See?
Who driving me home? Y'all done got me drunk.
Let me go ask some boys back there. I got you. I'm gonna make sure they.
Yeah. Y'all done I might.
I got him.
What I need to tip you?
Whatever you.
What's the stand tipping?
It's usually like 20%.
What you want me to tip you? I done got drunk. You know when they get drunk. He a free. What was your last biggest tip?
My last biggest tip, I think it was 100.
That's what I'm gonna tip you.
For real?
Oh, nigga.
No, that's all right. Come
I think you lying. Ain't nobody nigga had no 100, nigga.
on. Come on. That's up to you.
How much is it? I'm gonna do you 75.
I appreciate it.
75 good.
That's not good.
How much that bill?
It's 100.
It's 125.
It look like $12.94.
124.80.
My I say $12.94.
You driving? you make sure you drive. You make sure you drive. I want him to make it to the next game.
Can you add that up for me and do it honestly?
I got you.
Don't leave.
Do it right here.
Make sure you can add. I want to sue the restaurant if it's cheap. Oh, you had to get your calculator?
Yeah,
They didn't teach y'all the old way how to do math?
Look, I couldn't do all that right now.
Nigga, that say 125.
Oh, yeah. $99, $199. Yeah, $199.
I sure hope the card don't bounce. But go ahead.
You just gotta sign right there for me.
You know how to write in cursive?
Can I see
Yeah.
that shit?
I learned how to write in cursive when I was like first grade.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
For real?
Yeah, I'm 20.
And you know how to write in cursive?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, nigga, I ain't there. Yeah, you probably the last young nigga know how to write in cursive.
Really?
Yeah.
I think that's.
So it been about 10 years since they took your cursive out of school. At least 10, 15.
I didn't know that. I didn't even know they took that out.
Nigga, they been e-signing.
Oh yeah, you right. They everything digital.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how they gonna get us in the end.
Well, y'all be easy. Y'all take a blessing.
Already, my
Take
nigga.
a mind. Have a nice one.
Already been. Yeah, she got a lot of jewelry. Yeah, she got been buying her jewelry. She got a lot of jewelry. Come on, baby. Oh. What the fuck? Yeah, I done got drunk. Yeah, I done got drunk. Yeah. What you get? You buzz, then you tipsy, and then you drunk. And then the uncle got drunk.
You passed all that? No.
Yeah, man.
No.
Man, them was like, I'm like 2 shots.
Babe, that was one shot.
That was this big. That glass is still that big.
He's so dramatic. He don't drink like that. He smokes.
And they made it stronger than what it was. This that real liquor. The strip club be having it watered down. That watered down, nah, this was real liquor. Nah, y'all used to that strip club that put the cut on it. Everything for sale, nigga. Everything for sale, nigga. Even you.
Everything for sale.
Even you, nigga. Listen,
I am for sale.
I bought them titties. Nigga, give me my titties. I bought them titties, nigga.
You come over here, you gonna pay for a lot of shit. So yeah, everything for sale.
I don't want nothing free. Anything you can get free, anybody can have. They just get that away to anybody. Anybody show up asking something can get it for free. Mama say you get what you pay for.
Right.
Mama say you get what you pay for, nigga. Soon as I saw her, I looked in her eyes and said, I'll buy you some titties.
There they are.
Them my titties. Yeah, nigga.
The last time you came to see me, you said, yeah, I had to come check on my kids.
Government insurance? No. My mother never had government insurance. I've never in my life had government insurance. Never.
That's a dumb thing to ask.
No, I don't eat ass.
You know you eat pussy.
Apparently. Y'all even be they think I just be talking.
Come here, mom.
You gotta make me eat pussy. Pointy pussy. What? Come on, baby. Man. All right, big dog, what's up with it? All right. Say, man, this the general manager of this lovely establishment. I've been bragging on y'all all night, man.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. Tell them one more time where we at, big dog.
We're at Paparazzi, Dallas, Texas.
Yes, sir, man. Say, y'all get them wagyu meatball, or that chicken. What was on that chicken again? That honey and fried? What?
Yeah, the honey stone.
Yeah, that's a bad boy, man. See you next time, big dog. Yes, sir. All right. Say, what's up, fellas? Y'all all right? Already, man. What's up, black man? What's up with it, man? Y'all right? What's up, brother? Already, man.
You good?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did they give you a ticket?
Yeah, I got it.
Cool.
Me too.
You have 10? They have koi fish in the pond.
You can't get them.
Yeah, you can't take them home, but
When the restaurant closed, you can. See, when the restaurant closed, you come get your money up out of there. I got the car, man. Oh, my lordy.
no, I really like this place too. They have really good food. You don't eat that type of food.
I come get an apartment over here.
You don't need another fucking apartment. You already got 2 apartments. Why do you need another one? Because you don't. It's so cute right now. Can we fix all your stuff now?
Ain't nothing like having a player spot everywhere.
You don't need no motherfucking spot.
Yeah, Paparazzi Lounge. What time they close? What time Paparazzi Lounge close?
2?
We probably come back and check it out. Cause I got money. Cause I got money.
Put me on your neck.
Get on up there.
We're gonna fall like a motherfucker.
Get on up there.
We're gonna fall. Damn, I should have bought some heels.
Come on, let's go to ride. Let's go to ride, shouty.
Look at this Lambo.
Yeah, that's too small. I'll be claustrophobic. Yeah, I'll be that little claustrophobic, baby.
You can't drive cars like that. You
No,
know
man,
that.
I be claustrophobic. And I ride and smoke weed too. Voila. Fish tailing out the parking lot, leave magic. All right, appreciate you, big dog.
You're welcome, bud.
Yes, sir. All right, you too, man. Fish tailing out the parking lot, leave magic.
Cut this air off.
Cold now.
Cold as
I was
hell.
hot, fresh out the shower, shout. Fish chilling out the park. Where my other phone at?
I don't know, baby. I know I'm a little tipsy.
Me too. Yeah. Almost drunk as Cooler Brown.
I need to start keeping some heels at your house.
Oh shit, that's wrong.
Y'all don't worry about him. He's good hands like all stay over here, okay? You maybe going to that one lady who got
No, I'm sure. I owe me like $100,000.
he owe you that much?
I ain't been selling, but it is, yeah. It'll shut down.
Shut down.
I think so, yeah. I ain't been sitting over, but she's sending me somewhere online, I think.